Watching for a line of potentially severe weather this afternoon, I'm meteorologist Joe Martucci. Let's break this all down for you here. I do believe it will be the wind damage that will be our greatest concern as we go into the afternoon. Wind gusts up to 60 miles an hour will be possible. As a result, keep your devices charged just in case the power goes out. And also make sure to take down weakened or loose tree branches before the wind could potentially do so this afternoon. We are in a level 2 of 5 risk for severe weather. Everywhere shaded in yellow is in that level 2 of 5 risk by the Storm Prediction Center. We have these southerly winds, which is helping to charge up our atmosphere for the potential of strong storms later this afternoon. At Atlantic City International Airport on the mainland, we are at 66 degrees. Over at the shore, only 56. Even though we have that southerly wind, it is a sea breeze for us here along the shore, and with water temperatures in the mid-50s, well, air temperatures aren't getting too much above that. Taking a look at our Atlantic City webcam, you see the cloud cover right now, and that's actually some good news for us. The more clouds that we see, the lesser the risk for severe weather, as we don't get that energy from the sun, which would help to supercharge the showers and storms that move on through here. So that is some good news for us. Taking a look at our radar, this is from about 9:30 a.m. to noon. Starting to get that line of thunderstorms develop in eastern Pennsylvania. Low pressure is located in northeastern Pennsylvania. Warm front out to the north and east, and we are in that warm sector right now. That's why we do see that southerly air. But with the cold front will come very cold air, at least for late April standards. We are snowing right now in upstate New York and in western Pennsylvania, and that does include Pittsburgh as well. So looking at our forecasted radar, it's kind of coming in two parts. We have that line coming through. That's where you see those brighter oranges and yellows, and then you see those greens afterwards. We'll let it loop for you one more time. It's going to go like this. 30 minutes of thunderstorms, and that's where the potential for severe weather is. Then 30 to 60 minutes of plain rain after that. So we're talking about an hour and a half at most of wet weather this afternoon. So a mostly dry day. Looking at our forecasted gusts, this is for 4 o'clock here. 47 in Cape May, 45 in the Wildwoods. I do believe there will be the potential for up to 60-mile-an-hour gusts locally in any severe thunderstorm that would develop, and that's why we are concerned from the wind damage. Looking at our storm rainfall totals, 0.7 in Galloway, 0.6 in Estelle Manor. It's going to be fairly localized. I wouldn't say exactly that Galloway will get 0.7, but somewhere in South Jersey will, and there is the potential here that we do see some areas of roadway flooding with this. But the main story, again, will be the potential for the winds. As we go into today, let's take a look at our numbers here. 68 in the mainland, 59 over at the shore, and that cooling south-southwesterly wind. Storms 2 to 5 p.m. for about 90 minutes within that 3-hour window. Then, on the back side of this, we cool down very quickly. You saw those reds there. Here comes the blues, and here comes the colder air, and that northwesterly wind. A strong tap into cool Canadian air, and as a result, our low temperatures tonight, only 34 on the mainland, 37 at the shore, 10 degrees below average here, and that's not even factoring in the winds. Let's take a look at our wind chills here in the 20s, low 20s even to start off our Thursday. Eventually, we get up to around 30 by 9 a.m. for our wind chills. It will be a jacket and maybe even a scarf day as well as we go into our morning on Thursday. Eventually, we get up into the low to mid-50s, but that's still 10 degrees below average, feeling more like mid-March rather than late April here in South Jersey. Here's a look at your mainland 7-day forecast. As we go into our Thursday night, there is a potential for a freeze well in the Pine Barrens. Otherwise, we are going to have a very comfortable Friday as we go into the day with plenty of sunshine. Weekend looks to be a 50-50 weekend. Saturday is the dry day here and a warm day. Sunday, we are watching for a coastal storm to bring about a half day's worth of rain, as well as strong winds, potentially even coastal flooding before we calm down as we go into Monday and Tuesday. We'll keep you updated on the severe weather all afternoon long. You can follow me on social media for the latest, or you can always go to our website at thepressofac.com/weather.